Here we have a SAT math question on exponents. Okay, let's go over the question. If 2 to the power x positive 3 negative 2 to the power x equals to k times 2 to the x to the power, what is the value of k? Okay, let me write the equation again. 2 to the power x positive 3 negative 2 to the power x to the power equals to k times 2 to the x to the power. So here in the first term on the left side of the equation, we have two values are in addition at the exponent. So whenever two values are added at the exponent, what we can do is we can take this base separately for this value, and we have to multiply them. That is 2 to the x to the power times 2 to the third power. Actually, this is the product rule of exponents. So negative 2 to the x to the power equals to k times 2 to the x to the power. So here on the left side, both the terms have the common divisor 2 to the x to the power. Since both the terms have the common divisor 2 to the x to the power, we can factor 2 to the x to the power out. So if I factor 2 to the x to the power out, so what I have left in the first term? So to find that, I have to divide the first term by the one I factored. That is, I have to divide this one by 2 to the x to the power. Then this one will cancel out. I have only 2 to the third power left in the first term. Okay, so to know what I've left in the second term, again I have to divide this one by the one I factored out, that is 2 to the x to the power. So 2 to the x to the power or 2 to the x to the power will just become 1. So I have 1 left in the second term. So equals to k times 2 to the x to the power. So here this stuff is multiplied by 2 to the x to the power. Here k is multiplied by 2 to the x to the power. So the stuff on the left side, the stuff on the right side, both of them are multiples of 2 to the x to the power. So to get out the 2 to the x to the power on the left side and right side, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 2 to the x to the power. So this 2 to the x to the power, 2 to the x to the power will cancel out. Here 2 to the x to the power, 2 to the x to the power will cancel out. And we know that the value of 2 to the third power is 8 and negative 1 equals to k. So 8 negative 1 is 7. So the value of k is 7. The correct answer choice for this question is option C.